friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking portobello mushrooms in the air fryer. So here I have whole portobello mushroom caps, and then for seasonings I will use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I also use a non-stick cooking spray so nothing sticks to the air fryer. Feel free to omit the spray, or if you'd like, you can also brush the bottom of the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. So I'm going to take out the air fryer basket and spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. And I'm going to sprinkle portobello mushrooms with seasonings. So here's salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I will put the portobello mushroom caps in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and carefully flip the mushrooms over. So we're doing it so they cook evenly and so that the gills don't burn. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these whole portobello mushrooms. They're perfectly cooked. Air fryer makes it so easy. So let's take them out. Perfect. They look amazing. Perfectly roasted portobello mushrooms. Now let's try them. I'm so excited. So let's just cut it. They're completely cooked through. Delicious. They're so soft, so tasty. You will love cooking portobellos in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!